Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can change your age rating on Disney Plus. So if you're watching Disney Plus and you want to change the age rating, all you have to do is you can simply go to the top right corner and you can go to edit profiles. So you can select the profile that you want to change the age rating for. So for example, right now I have only one profile. So I'm going to go on this profile. And if I scroll down, as you can see, this is the content rating. If I click here, it is going to ask me to enter the password. And as you can see, these are all the levels of the age rating right here. So I can choose the age rating from here. R rating, TV and GTVG, every rating is given right here, and I can change the ratings from right here. I can save the rating after changing the ratings and I can go back. So this is how you can change the ratings of your profiles on Disney Plus. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.